Thanksgiving is a holiday that we all know about, but no one really cares for. It's the holiday that has no specific music affiliated with it, and is celebrated only because we have to meet family. The holiday is so bad that Canadians will celebrate it a month earlier just to get it out of the way. I guess the point of the holiday is to celebrate the colonization of the United States, and some libtards will say that that's bad because the Native Americans were almost wiped out, but I recently saw Avatar and they killed a lot of white guys in that movie, so what's the excuse of the Indians? It's also about being thankful for what you have, but nowadays everyone complains about everything, so it doesn't even matter. On this holiday, you travel 30 minutes or 700 miles just to eat the same meal you had last year. The food options are limited to lasagna, if you're Italian, green beans, Brussels sprouts, sweet or regular potatoes, bread, stuffing, cranberries, and last but not least, the turkey. Now, I don't know if it's just me, but I hate turkey. The meat is so dry that I'd rather eat sand. The only part I like about the turkey is segregating the corpse between the white and dark meat, and there's plenty of dark meat to go around. Other than that, I hate sitting around the table talking to my family. They fucking suck dick. Let me reassure you though that you will have plenty of leftovers because nobody will eat the rest of the food, except the stuffing, which is the best part. Look, we're just waiting for Christmas so that we can get our parents to buy expensive stuff. I wish I could say more about Thanksgiving, but you're probably gonna forget about it the next day. Anyways, I give Thanksgiving a score of a frowning Charlie Brown head. I know I've given this score out multiple times, but I think it makes sense here. Gobble gobble, motherfucker!